In front of me is Redmi Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading your new defaults. I will go with Browser. When your new apps are ready, you can go into Devices Settings, scroll down to Access Apps, click on Manage Apps, and tap on those three dots at the top right corner to click on Other Settings. Finally, hit Default Apps and manage all of those options however you want to. Just tap on one of those sections, apply your new browser by clicking on it, and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!